Some cars look good. Some cars feel expensive. But very few cars are actually built to last. And if you ask mechanics what they trust the most, the answer is almost always the same: Japanese cars. Not because they're perfect, but because they're predictable, simple, and built to keep going long after everything else starts falling apart. So today, we're looking at Japanese cars that just refuse to die. The ones that regularly hit 200,000, even 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. Number 5. Toyota Camry. Let's start with something everyone knows, but for good reason. The Toyota Camry isn't exciting. It's not fast. It's not flashy. But it's one of the most durable cars ever made. Toyota doesn't push this car to its limits. The engines are tuned conservatively, the transmissions are refined over years, and the whole platform is designed to avoid unnecessary stress. That's the formula, and it works. Mechanics love the Camry because it's predictable. They know what wears out, when it wears out, and how much it's going to cost. There are no surprises. And that's exactly why these cars keep going, well past 200,000 miles. Number 4. Honda CR-V. Now let's talk about one of the most reliable SUVs on the road. The Honda CR-V is what happens when a company focuses on long-term usability instead of short-term hype. Everything about this SUV is designed to be practical. Simple engines, proven transmissions, no unnecessary complexity. And that matters, because most modern problems come from over-engineering. The CR-V avoids that. It's not trying to impress you with crazy tech or performance numbers. It's built to be easy to live with and easy to maintain. Mechanics like it because it rarely shows up with serious issues. Most visits are routine, and that's exactly what you want.
Number 3. Toyota Corolla. If there's one car that defines "it just works," it's this: the Toyota Corolla. This is probably the closest thing to a forever car you can buy. It's simple. That's the secret. No aggressive tuning, no risky design choices, no unnecessary systems that can fail. Just proven engineering that's been refined over decades. That's why Corollas regularly hit 250,000 miles. And when they do need repairs, they're usually small, cheap, and predictable. Mechanics barely see them for anything serious, and that's exactly why they trust them. Number 2. Toyota Tacoma. This is where things get interesting, because the Toyota Tacoma isn't just reliable, it's built to take abuse. This is the kind of truck that gets driven off-road, overloaded, used for work, and still keeps going. That's not an accident. Toyota designed the Tacoma with durability in mind. The engines aren't pushed too hard, the drivetrain is simple, and the entire truck is built to handle rough conditions. Mechanics love it because it's consistent. Same formula year after year. That means fewer unknown problems and more proven reliability. It's not the most comfortable, but it's one of the toughest vehicles you can buy.
Number 1. Honda Accord. And finally, one of the most trusted cars in the entire market, the Honda Accord. This is the car mechanics recommend when someone wants something reliable, comfortable, and easy to own long-term. It strikes a balance that's hard to beat. The engines are proven, the design is refined, and nothing feels overly complicated. That's why these cars last. Not because they never break, but because when they do, it's manageable, affordable, predictable, fixable. And that's what real reliability looks like. The truth is, reliability isn't about hype. It's about consistency over time. And when you look at the cars that actually last, you start to see a pattern. Simple engineering, proven designs, and fewer things that can go wrong. That's why these cars refuse to die.